低着头，期待白昼，接受所有的嘲讽，向着风，拥抱彩虹，勇敢地向前走。黎明的那道光会越过黑暗，打破一切恐惧，我能找到答案。哪怕要逆着光就驱散黑暗，救出所有的负担，不再孤单，不再孤单。也许世界就这样，我也还在路上，没有人能诉说。也许我只能沉默，眼泪湿润眼眶，可又不敢懦弱。低着头，期待白昼，接受所有的嘲讽，向着风，拥抱彩虹，勇敢地向前走。黎明的那道光会越过黑暗，打破一切恐惧，我能找到答案。哪怕要逆着光就驱散黑暗，救去所有的负担，不再孤单，不再孤单。黎明的那道光会越过黑暗，打破一切恐惧，我能找到答案。哪怕要逆着光就驱散黑暗，有1万种的力量，淹没孤单，不再孤单。
我承认，我自卑，我真的很怕黑。每到黑夜来临的时候，我总是很狼狈。我彻夜在买醉，但我不曾后悔，只是想让自己清楚，为什么我会掉眼泪。
一个人的房间，漆黑的夜晚，看着你的故事和你的朋友圈。谁会喜欢孤单？是不想人看穿，最后一点点温暖也被你打散。孤独的人晚上最害怕有灯光，你关了那灯光，心里却有一点忧伤。你流泪的眼眶，他走后的模样，深深刺痛的心告诉自己要坚强。我承认我自卑，我真的很怕黑。每到黑夜来临的时候，我总很狼狈。我彻夜在买醉，但我不曾后悔，只是想让自己清楚为什么掉眼泪。这孤单的滋味
live. If you're interested, you can just click. You can watch. I will start at 10 minutes in 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Welcome. Bye.
太多的、太重的、太残忍的话，没纠缠是你的理由太假。我觉得你的可不必说的天花乱坠，是天使是魔鬼都没有绝对。没想的、没说的，都亲手去吧。你扮演的角色更可悲吗？放弃的、走的，可不必再争辩是非。放下的，就请你少的干脆。欣赏我的一举一动，随你改变多荒唐，任你肆意妄动，从没去想你是有多嚣张。我的心脏脉搏为你跳动，为你狂。你说我真的多余，不如离开流浪，都怪我没治愈我的伤。没想的、没说的，都亲手去吧。你扮演的角色更可悲吗？放弃的、走的，可不必再争辩是非。放下的，就请你少的干脆。欣赏我的一举一动，随你改变多荒唐，任你肆意妄动，从没去想你是有多少。
Hello. Our live will start in another 5 minutes. Okay. Thanks for your watching. Yeah, you can also leave the shares you want to analyze later. Thank you very much.
你的一字一句犹如刀疤划心上，我的一举一动随你改变多荒唐，任你肆意妄动，从没去想你是有多嚣张。我的心脏脉搏为你跳动，为你狂。你说我真的多余，不如离开流浪，都怪我没治愈我的伤。
一想到你我就空恨别梦久，失去只会埋烟流。 息之外能靠近你，哪怕一。
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my live, long time no see. So you can see my screen very clearly and hear my voice clearly, right? Thank you very much. Yeah, this is MG from Homely Chat. Okay, let's start today's live. And yeah, today from 1:10 to 2 p.m. I will share this live to you. Some brief views of the glove counters, and also we'll analyze your shares. So everybody, okay, if, especially if you are new, first time to watch my live, here's the way how to analyze your share. Yeah, hello Sally and Adi, long time no see, and Chi, Mr. Dan. Okay, and Bora. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, here's the way how to analyze your share. You can just leave in the comment, no problem. You can also WhatsApp to me your share code number and the entry price and your trading cycle 2011-16727962. And of course, even we analyze the shares here, we are not, sorry, maybe you cannot see my screen. Now can see my screen, huh? Hello? I think now can see my screen, huh? Because I see the result, it cannot show my screen. How about now? Okay, I think now can see my screen. Okay, here's the way how I can analyze your share. And okay, excuse me. This video is purely for study and discussion. So every shares mentioned here is not for co-buy and sell. We are analyze for you, no problem. And everybody can also leave the shares you want to analyze in the below the comment, and also WhatsApp to me, no problem. So we can take a look about the Dow Jones first. And currently, the market in Malaysia have some still be impact being affected by the US, but not so strong, because we can see the regularity a little bit difference. We can see the Dow Jones first. DOW, okay, Dow Jones. Last night, open low, gap down, and then close high. Gap down because of some issues. We know that the news, especially news from the government or the economy, federal is very big influence to the share price. So before, after this Dow Jones break up the previous high, sideways a lot here. And we know that this gap up is the US election, and this gap up is about the pandemic, the vaccine news. And yesterday is because the Federal Reserve. So something happened between the Federal Reserve and the Muluchin court to on the Federal Reserve to return the unused funds from the emergency anti-epidemic law program. So this news gives some impact to the price. And we can see the whole Dow Jones. We still use the over and oversold. We can also to check. Actually, yesterday even is closed as a positive candle, but it can show that the yellow overbought signal already disappeared. So it's a signal to sell here. Okay, it's a signal to sell here. So this little rebound cannot save this rebounds. Okay, this rebounds is also happened in the Malaysia market. But is it the same situation? But actually, it's really a little bit different. Okay, a little bit different. We can take a look at the KLCI. If you have watched my live after the market close, yesterday I have been share you this picture. Hey, excuse me, where's the picture? Okay, this picture. Okay, now the KLCI sideways here, and yesterday also meet the resistance cannot back, cannot returns. And we can see today's chart. We can see today's chart, it goes to we have some rebound. But actually this rebound is not so strong, comes to 1596, still below 1600. Still below 1600 here. So you can see still below this gap. Okay, I can show you the gap. KLCI. Still below the gap. Okay, I will let you see. This is the gap. Okay, yesterday it just gap down. Okay, yesterday gap down, and also today, this morning is have rebound, but the rebound is still below 1500, 1600. Okay, around below this gap. So it's not so strong. Okay, it's not so strong, but basically have some short term for the counters. We can see how's the sector now. Okay, how's the sector today? How's this is today's sector. And we can see this morning, basically the counter healthcare increased 1.9%. So especially the glove counters push it, driving it up. And then the construction also good. Some shares start with the 0.2. Some of them is the construction is very strong. And also energy rebound a little bit, 1.5%. Okay, but we know that one day cannot say it starts the uptrend because we can only make stable profit in uptrend, not the rebound. Rebound sometimes is more dangerous. It's kind of a trap set by the big market makers. So that's why we're gonna analyze soon about the glove counters soon. Okay, we can take a look about the whole healthcare first. Healthcare sector. This is a healthcare sector. We can see that the whole trend, okay, the whole trend, before we use this homely rainbow to check the movement of the trend of the chart, okay, in which cycle. So this is healthcare. Healthcare, before we say we draw a line before we draw a line from here to here, okay, it seems cannot break out. And also have a few times, excuse me, I will make it clearly. Okay, we just draw like here, okay, like this one. Okay, have some resistance, cannot break out. Okay, this is resistance, cannot break out. Now is another time to cover back, to bounce back from yesterday. But we can join this line. This line, okay. We can see most of the glove counter in this pattern. From analyze in terms of the trend, okay, have some resistance. At the same time, some of them cannot support. Okay, cannot support by this line, this uptrend line. So basically, they are sideways or a little bit rebound below this line, means that before the trend, okay, before the price break out this line, is still a very short-term chance. Now let's verify with the funds. And we see this is yesterday's chart. Yesterday's chart, the bank, the healthcare banker chips. We need to use the banker chips to verify. Is it a big rally? Can support, have fund support or not? If no funds to support, is basically just a flash in the pan. Yesterday the banker chips 22%. We can take a look at the price of today, of today's price. Now the HSK is 3977. Okay, 3977. Price is around 3977 is around here. Okay, is around 3977 around here. Around here. So you see, it's still very, very small rebound for the whole index. Okay, but we know that glove is just part of the hair scale. We cannot say that, okay, glove counters don't have a chance, because I know still have a lot of people have a highly expectation on these counters. Later on, we will check the individual shares. Hold on. So we check that sector. We can see that the rebound currently, there's no big support of the banker chips. Yesterday is only 22%. Maybe to the little bit up, but not so much. Okay, and from there's no support. Okay, there's no fund support, and what we call is kind of a support. For example, here also have strong. Okay, also starts, but here funds also follow up together. Okay, this is the rally verified with the funds together, but here didn't. Okay, here didn't. And also we take a look about some strong some counters. Okay, I will make it smaller. Some individual shares of the glove counter. Open too much, too many things here. Okay, I will make it bigger. So first one, Top Glove. Top Glove today have very good bounce back. 5% now. 5% in the morning. Okay, 5% in the morning. So let's analyze. So it's not so important for us to know can buy or not. After we analyze, we know the answer automatically, which is very important. So you see the process is very important. So we can put in this. Okay, like this. Okay, no problem. And we can analyze. Also can draw the line so that you know how the trend goes on. So from the Top Glove before, is trying to break out the previous high. Here, this still workable, right? Still workable. And we can just move a little bit around. So this previous high cannot break out. Okay, that has happened before. Recently, we can connect this line. Okay, this line also workable. So you can see that actually the price is break down this support. So before it cover back, okay, before it standing above this line, is still some short-term chance. So when the price reach to this area, you will have the resistance. So if we cannot break out, so it just finished. Okay, it just finished. And we can see today the banker chips 7%. 7%. Okay, this is the banker chips here. Retailers still have 53%. Of course, compared to yesterday is less. And also banker chips compared to yesterday also increased a little bit. So is it confirmed or enough to make a decision, say that it's our time to average down or to enter? I can only say that if you have this counter before, or some of you maybe get stuck in the top area, here is kind of a chance to run, but I'm not saying that you will finish. I mean that you need to wait for a while before you consider to average down, because average down is a good method to make your average price become lower, but sometimes you also combine with the risk. So means that if you do average down here, if you cannot sell in time, okay, you still get deeper stuck of the market. So means that if, okay, before it can break up this price, okay, before it can break out this resistance, we can do some short term. Okay, do some short term if you don't have. But if you have, you can wait for a while until this rebound finished, and then you take a profit. We can also take a look what is the price of this area. It's around we just draw here. Okay, excuse me, we just draw a line here. Yeah, I know have some good news of this counter. Yes, they already are. Yes, they already have good news, but news cannot save this counter. Only the big funds can save the counter. Okay, so the price here is around let me see. It's around 7.6. Hey, I cannot move. Why? Excuse me. I need to. Excuse me. Need to reopen like this. We can remember the price. If we cannot break out that price, then it's your time to exit again. Okay, exit again. When we talk about the average sum, we basically to find some big chance in uptrend. Okay, in uptrend, and also like recovery counters. You think if the vaccine is really come out, many recovery counters will come back. So that chance also will be better. Okay, just now we just analyze here. Okay, we just draw the line here. The price here is around 7.5 7.5. Still have 20 cents 20 cents 30 cents. So first thing, okay, first thing I say, you have a chance. Okay, you have chance to do short term. So how to do? We go to the mini chart and we find the mini chart, and we use the trend expert. Okay, trend expert. Before we also shared the red bar is short-term uptrend, the green bar is short-term downtrend. So the first buy point, okay, you can choose this one. This one is better than this one buy point, although both of them are green turn to red. Okay, because this one already showed a higher low already, more safe than this one. So we can see this price, okay, when the green are making bigger. When the green turned to red, okay, this price is yesterday 5 p.m. Okay, here is the time. Yesterday 5 p.m. So if you bought yesterday as short term, you till now you can have 5.9%. Not bad. Okay, not bad. And the major lines still big resistance to the current price. Okay, so if it cannot break out, also your time to run. Because we just analyzed in the daily chart already, still have some resistance. Okay, still have some resistance below this trend line. Okay, below this trend line. So I think I made the conclusion already. It's still very aggressive for us to average down, but you have time to monitor the chart. You can trade some short term. Okay, trade some short term. We can also take a look about other counters of the glove. For example, the Supermax, Supermax today also have 6.7%. So we see the whole trend. We see the whole trend. Or like this, we also can draw the line here. Draw the line here. Okay, the Bankers so far is 19%, higher than the glove, but today slightly up, but not so strong. And we can also draw the trend. Here is a resistance, a little bit far. Okay, a little bit far, and if we draw the line of the support, you also can see that have some space, okay, to reach this resistance first. Before, every time you reach this resistance, you just draw back. Okay, just draw back. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, actually 3 times get resistant by this resistant area. Okay, if it cannot break out, it's also your time to run. Okay, also your time to run. Maybe you say that I don't know how to draw the line, then no problem, you can use the homely rainbow. The homely rainbow is to analyze the trending. So if it can break up the yellow line, then it's a chance to add more. Okay, yellow line is your support, is the important resistance for the current price. So if you really want to do, you do short term. Also, we're back to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, we use the trend expert, and we can see the best buy point is here when the green bar turns to red bar. Okay, here 5 p.m. 3 p.m. yesterday. 3 p.m. yesterday. So and here also higher low. Okay, higher low. Here is more low lah, okay? So if you can run faster also can, but this one is more safe. If you buy yesterday 3 p.m., you will also have 5 point already, 5 point already, 5% already. And you will also meet resistance by the major line. Okay, major line price is around 8.17. You need to break out to 1.8, excuse me, you need to break out this major line. Okay, but actually this major line will also change. It's not the same as the price. It's not the same as the price, because when the bar increase and the major line will also change. So you can just check the pattern whether it can break up the major line. And the second thing, you analyze, you notice this resistance price. Okay, resistance price, we just draw the line here. We draw the line from here. Excuse me, cannot join like this. Okay, a little bit far here, I cannot see. So this area you can also draw the line, or you can just take the rainbow, the yellow line. The price is around 9 ringgit. Okay, around 9 ringgit. So that is your resistance you can set. But your sell point also is the short term, the hourly chart. When the red bar turns to gray bar, it's your time to sell. Okay, it's the time to sell. So we can also say it's the same as the top glove is technical rebound. Okay, technical rebound. Not every red bar you can buy. We only buy the first red bar when the green bar turns to red. If you just buy every red bar, it's easy for you to chasing high. Okay, be careful. And also other glove counters like K Plus. K Plus. If we also check the daily chart, okay, daily chart can see more clearly. Okay, we can just join here. Today, the banker chips have bigger rally compared to other glove counters. You can see, compared to yesterday, bigger one, right? Bigger increase. Banker chips 31% already. Retailers is 51%. Still have a lot of people stuck here, so that's why you very care about whether can average down or not. Okay, so every time, okay, if you have resistance, every time of the rebound is a chance to run. Okay, cannot be very greedy, because the whole sector still haven't gone yet. The funds haven't entered yet. So this is resistance, and we can also draw this correction. Okay, as the previous high. The previous high is the resistance. The previous high. Okay, previous high. And this resistance also appeared before, and also we can connect this line, and you can see also current price is still below this line. So you need to break out this resistance first. Before you break out, you just do short term. Okay, you just do short term, because you already break down the support. Okay, now it's trying to cover back. If it cannot break out, then another time to drop further. So you answer, so you think, is it safe for you to average down? Not safe. Okay, not safe. Only do short term. Okay, only do short term. And the short term, we go to hourly chart here, and we use the trend expert. Also the same pattern. The buy point, okay, buy point should be yesterday 3 p.m. Another buy point is today 10 a.m. 10 a.m. till now also you have 5.8%. Okay, 5.8%. And before you break off the major line, okay, you also need to be careful. So means if you do short term, no problem. But if you just turn to green before, turn to green, you just take a profit, especially when you meet the resistance line here. Okay, so K plus is also just a short term rebound, just short term rebound. And but actually another thing I forgot to tell is that the top glove have another support by the previous low. Okay, by the previous low, one support. Okay, there actually uptrend there's no support, but have a support by this resistance. Okay, this is a previous low. We have resistance. Okay, but currently cannot say very strong. Okay, basically standing above half of this price. If it still remains and also break up the resistance we just joined, then have better chance. But so far, only short term. Okay, only short term technical rebound. And we can also check comfort. Comfort is daily chart. Yeah, about the top glove yesterday, I also write in my homely lunch. Okay, where is it? My homely lunch here. Right, yesterday, put English here also top glove. Yesterday is top. Yesterday I say that I have news, good news, but it's just a rebound so far. Yesterday in my home lunch also remind this one. Okay, if you want to receive the message, okay, in the noon time, yeah, you can just send the homely lunch to 011-165-27962. Then in the noontime, sometimes I will send you the live, sometimes we'll send you the words, okay, as a day trading reference, okay. About top glove, yeah, yesterday we just checked that. Yesterday also mentioned that the banker chips only 6% yesterday, okay, and the retailers do have 70%. Compared to today lah, is worse. Okay, today is better one, but still rebound. Still rebound. Short-term chance only. Also remind you, short-term chance only. Okay, then comfort. Okay, comfort daily chart. Also can draw the line here, and we can see what's the difference between others. Okay, we can also draw the lines. Okay, so here's a higher point and also lowest points like this. Very slightly haven't breakdown yet. So far can consider have some support. So the resistance also very obvious. If it cannot break out, it might going down. Okay, so still in this triangle, but there's no funds to support in this triangle, because after the triangle pattern finished, you will choose a direction, whether drop down or break up. So far, there's no funds to support. Okay, so far the possibility of a downward is higher because of low funds, big funds to support. Banker chips only 9%, retailers 36%. Okay, although today have 6%, but also short-term rebound after see this pattern. We go to the hourly chart. And the trend expert. The buy point is also today 10 a.m. 10 a.m. till now, you also have 4.5%. Okay, 4.5%. It's not the lowest point to buy, but you still can make money. More safe, more safe. This is a comfort, comfort. And the other Hata, we can also talk about the Hata. Hata in the daily chart, worse, worse. You also don't have strong support here. Today only increased 2%. Today only increased 2%. So we can see also breakdown. Okay, also breakdown. Have two resistance here. Okay, and also banker chips only 9%. 9%. Still need to break up this line first, and then another resistance. Okay, also very short term, but this rebound is not so strong. 2.7. And another 7191 Advanta today have also 6.64%. Okay, so this one we can also draw the lines here, and you can find is just very close to this pattern, trying to break up very soon, but might not break up. We don't know. Banker chips are higher, 29%. Okay, here is 29%. Also not bad, right? Not bad, but the retailers still more than banker chips, 48%. Before it break up, also be careful. We don't bet on the market. We buy and sell very irrational with the analyze we're doing, okay? So the progression is still very important for all of you. Advanta, yeah, Aisha, you ask Advanta. Advanta also short term, we go to hourly chart. You can see now it's trying to break up the major line. Okay, so far, and the bar also have banker chips increase here. Okay, but we only see half or don't have. So Advanta is stronger than other Advanta, than other glove counter. Buy point, okay, green turn to red is yesterday 3 p.m. 3 p.m. till now. Okay, you have your profit. If you can also break up successfully, got chance. Okay, got chance. But also combine with the daily chart, the the pattern I just joined. Okay, if you also can break up the triangle pattern, then you are more safe, okay, to buy more. Now it's also dangerous for you to average down. Top glove, hold or technical rebound. Yeah, Jen, I just said already. If you missed, you can just drag the pattern, drag the video back to the start. Okay, I just analyzed the top glove the first time, the first counter. Okay, other counters we can also take a look. For example, excuse me, I will check my WhatsApp because some of you have sent already. Okay, Saifu 0188 H healthy, medical related. Medical related, this one also have some rebound. And we can see the bank dips very slight bounce back, very slightly bounce back. Compared to yesterday, you need to see the trend, micro trend also can check what's the change. Bank dips 24% compared to yesterday, very slightly, and you can see it's mainly in this sideway. Is also in this sideway. But it didn't very close to the support, but it didn't. So also need to wait for the correction, for the chance to it tools. So maybe, okay, your next question. Hold on. Supermax. Okay, Supermax, I didn't check. Check or not? Supermax we also check. I think just checked already. Yeah, Supermax has 6%, right? We just checked already. Yeah, also in this trend, okay, also below the support line. So this is from Miss Ling, okay, from Miss Ling. You also go to the hourly chart. The trend expert tell you when you can sell as a short-term chance. When the red bar turns green, you can take a profit. And Jacqueline, okay, Jacqueline, want to check other counters? No problem. JCY. JCY, this counter, you do short term. We analyze the daily chart first. If you do short term, daily chart is our analyze time cycle. So you can see actually it's going sideways for a long time already. And we can see when the sideways actually the chips the big funds didn't support. It keeps decreasing. So it didn't increase anymore. And your enterprise, what is enterprise? I don't know. I think in short term, you also need to react very fast. Otherwise, it's very hard for you to make money because all the market is also volatile. You need to choose the shares with strong bankers inside. Okay, even you do in strong shares. For example, we have other strong counters. For example, 5289. This is also strong counters. You can also make money if you also do short term, right? Banker chips control 78%. 78%. So if we also do short term in the hourly chart, okay, you have so many chance to enter, right? Today also have enter points. So when the green bar turns red bar, and here when the bar break out the major line, you can also make money. You can also enter. So you have 11%. And also we have other strong counters. I mean that if you want to find the strong shares in uptrend, PMB also very strong, right? Today also have 3.8%, but still not for recommendation. I just show you that actually why still have counters can increase so good, because banker chips still pushing them up. Banker chips still have, just compared to before, they're more cautious, or maybe you outflow to other market. We don't know, but we still can find it if you have the survey. Okay, from this day, this is November the 3rd, okay, the banker chips already control the share. So from that day till now, and we can see have 18% already, right? 18% already. And also another counter yesterday, my member also made money. He also buy this day when the bankers control. So 3 days, you see how many percent? 69% already. Still have strong counters. Whether you can find it or not, that is the question. And also some other strong counters. Okay, in uptrend, this one also have a lot of banker chips inside. So let's get back to your JCY. So JCY before very strong, but recently we can see the banker chips are going down. only 26% now. Okay, if you do short term, we go to hourly chart. So you see the sell point appeared earlier already. The recent sell point is here. When the red bar turns to green bar, okay, here when the red bar turns to green bar, the time is is Wednesday. Wednesday, 2 days ago, 4 p.m. have sell point ready. So if you have sold already, you will not lose money. Okay, be careful. Because you say you do short term. Short term, there was a keep cash. Need to keep cash. And hold on. RoboRex. Okay, RoboRex. Just now I forgot to analyze. This is from KC. RoboRex today have 4.667%. And we can see this is the only counters have a break of the previous high before we have mentioned. After the bonus issue, right, it break out, but it also going back very soon. But if we compare the chart, the banker dips also higher than other counters. Banker dips now is 45%. If we also find the resistance, we see how it goes on. And we can draw this longer chart first. Okay, also a little bit breakdown. Okay, and this is a channel. Okay, this is a channel, kind of a channel. We can just draw like here, no problem. And seems okay here. If it can cover back, okay, now it's oversold area. If it just cover back and break out this resistance, then it's better. But considering the banker dips is higher, okay, have more momentum to cover back. So actually also have a good chance, good short-term chance. But before you break out, we also need to be careful, okay, because banker dips still less than 50%, 45%. 45%. And also before, you see the banker dips just keep lower low. If this rebound can also keep higher and the better at least reach this level and then reach this level, then it's a better one. It's better one. When is your time you can average down? Okay, when is your time? And first thing, you need to break up the line first. Okay, break up this resistance, you can consider, no problem. And then break out this previous high and then break up this high. Okay, 3 times you can consider average down, but now it's very short-term rebound chance. And if we say it's a rebound chance, we go to hourly chart and you can see the buy point is also below the major line. The recent buy point is here, 10 a.m. today. You see 5 p.m., 10 a.m. today, and also confirmed compared to previous low is higher low. So this buy point is more safe. If you buy here till now, you also have 7%, 4.6%. Okay, this is the buy point for short term. Also for short term, be careful. When the vaccine news also have also come out very fast. Last night I have another good news, right? Vaccine news. So if the vaccine news better, actually the glove counters also seems being affected, bad affected. And Xinhua 5267 from Kevin. Xinhua, you do intraday. This counter, okay, this counter, we also need to analyze. Actually, recently, in the daily chart, is also kind of rebound. So kind of rebound, and we can see recently trying already break out. And the banker dips now 68%, and we go to the tick chart. Okay, tick chart little bit sideways here. Okay, little bit sideways. And when we check the 1 minute chart, banker dips no bankers, so that's why it's the profit space very small. Okay, be careful. I'm not saying this trade is no good, just there's no big funds to push up, so maybe a little bit slow for you to do intraday. Okay, for you to do intraday. Before, I also said you need to find some very active counters. You can try. Okay, for example, I'm not recommending. So for example, here have also a lot of banker dips. Even you buy here, then you sell here, you still can make 10% plus profit here. Okay, here have another buy point when the price break up the yellow line. Okay, so means that the 1 minute chart also have banker dips. You have bigger profit space. Okay, let's check others of your counters. 4464 4464 for this is a very negative from Charlie. You do short term, very penny stock. You see, penny stock no problem, but if the penny stock also no volume, then I don't like. So it's really okay, no volume. Okay, no volume. So we go to hourly chart. Okay, so you see the bar is like this because no volume. So be careful. So actually, if you want to buy some small chance counter, we can also use the homely software. For example, we choose the banker chips 50% and okay, hold on, I choose the Bursa Malaysia counter. Bursa Malaysia. I can filter the cheap counters for you. For example, we use the banker chips more than 50%, and we can set the price. Okay, we can set the price. For example, you can use their close price maybe less than how many? I don't, maybe less than 50 cents. Okay, 50 cents, 0.5, and then okay, that's the like this. Okay. Okay, just 0. And then you can choose some counters with cheap price, but also with banker chips inside. But also, actually, you can also plus the volatility, the turnover rate. Make sure it's more than 3%. It's also kind of for active counter. Okay, but considering not so much here, so we don't need to add more conditions. So we just check some of them. Okay, so you can find some good counters with good banker tips inside. So like this one, Palo also not so strong. Palo also have a strong rebound today, right? Also not very expensive. This one, all these counters very strong. 0038 also very good, right? So 80 cannot. 80 cannot. 80 we also can take a look because it also glove counter 770072. Today have 8% bounce back. So how's the 80? How's the 80? And we see the daily chart. This is the counter a little bit late or compared to other glove counter. So we see it's also breakout before. Now it's drawing back. And we see the hourly chart. Okay, banker chips are now 49%, but last 3 days drop a lot. Okay, drop a lot. So is it the time for you to buy back now? We go to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, okay, is still below the major line. Okay, still below the major line. So means that also very aggressive for you to average down, except you do very short term. If you have stuck before in the top area, so when the rebound finished, is your time to take your profit or cut loss because it's still aggressive when the price below the major line. Okay, and we can see the candlestick pattern today is kind of going open high a little bit higher, but actually today you see the banker chips didn't increase. So also that's why I say that it's just very short-term rebound. Okay, short-term rebound. Your first resistance level you can just set where you can just set half price of this candlestick, no problem. Okay, and if go over, especially when you break off the previous high, you can consider to add more. Now it's still aggressive. Okay, still aggressive to average down a short-term chance. Okay, short-term chance with small capital funds. Okay, this is from Charlie. Looking forward to hear about potentials in KLCI. Linda, here we don't giving any tips here or any recommendation, but if you want to see the market updates, actually you can just ask to my homely lunch. Okay, basically I will share the market views and the trend analysis here. Okay, trend analysis for reference, but it's also not for recommendation. Okay, this is for Linda. And Robert has already checked. Okay, Jack. PDZ. Okay, we check look at the PDZ. PDZ counter short term. The bank chip is very less, 12%. Very short term, no problem. Okay, short term, no problem. We go to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, okay, we see still red, okay, remains above the major line. So far, no big problem. If still can remains and also keeps red color, I think still should be okay. Sally want to check the plantation. Palm oil recently also have a good performance. And so for short term, you see, this 5113 basically is still in big sideway of the second wave. Okay, second wave haven't break out yet, so can only do short term now because you say you want to do short term, then no problem. Short term also a little bit slow, inactive. So far still red colors can still consider to hold for short term, but if the red turn to green, I should sell. Okay, now the bar already become small, means losing momentum in uptrend. Pang 0069. Viva.com today have sell point ready. Be careful. For short term, this is hourly chart. The sell point is here. 5 o'clock yesterday. Viva.com. Okay. Viva.com. And you should sell there. And then later on, when the red bar, when the green bar turns to back to red bar, you can buy again. Okay. So basically, I suggest correction from the analyze now because daily chart, the bank chip still have 80%. So just correction. And also another thing is that the correction is still above half price of this big young candlestick here. So the price is 1.71. This is your defensive price, your stop loss. If it didn't break down, still have a chance. Okay. Euro holding, Thai Congo, Euro holding very strong. I also like this share. Today have 6%, 7%. So all the way bank chips here also recently pushed up by the bank chips 95% already. You want to short term, no problem. Long term also can this share. So short term also red color, you still can consider to hold. So this morning also have buy point. When the green turns to red, is the buy point. So today also have buy point. So later on, when the red bar turns to green short term, you can take your profit, no problem. Federate 0219. Reserve. This is also have a good bounce back. Short term, I think short term no problem, absolutely, because a very good thing is that there is no retailer. There's no retailer of discounters now. Although the banker chips not increase so much, but no retailer means that what? Means good chance, no resistance for the bankers to push it up. Okay, but not okay. So if you do short term, we go to the hourly chart. So far also is red color. Today also have buy point when the green bar turns to red bar. Here is 10 o'clock today, have full buy point. So now you have 5%. Why I say there is a very good when the retailer's gone, very potential one. And another thing is also break up the previous high, no resistance. Similar pattern also happened in this counter. Okay, Samadian. You also break up the previous high, and you see before the retailers disappears already, it just remains here. Okay, the first wave, second wave, the third wave, and 3 days ago already. The bankers big push up, okay, and later on fly 3 days. 3 days have 70% already, very enough for short-term traders. All right. And also 0225, also the similar pattern. You see, similar pattern. Banker chips retailer also gone. Later on, little bit sideways and later on push up, have 70% already. Right, this is similar counters. Another one is I don't. Oh, this one also similar, but it's a little bit slower because this counter first day the bank chips push up 35%. Also no retailer haven't break up the previous high, but also similar pattern. But this is for Federate. TG can hold. Okay, 80 already analyzed Michael. Yeah. Okay. So the time is almost okay, and we can see that if you want to analyze your other counter, okay, you can just WhatsApp me. Okay, you can just WhatsApp me. And if you also want to attend preview class, we have a preview class the end of this month. So if you want to attend, okay, it's by our master, okay, by our master Zoo, okay. Member no need to register. Members will receive from our customer service line. Only non-member you need to sign up, okay. WhatsApp your name to 011 1652792 to sign up the class. Mandarin version is 28th 2 p.m. and the English version is 29th 10 a.m. Okay, we have English and Mandarin version. If you want to sign up, okay, 011 1652792. And also, if you want to analyze your shares, okay, you can also WhatsApp me, okay? That's almost all for today's video. Thank you for your watching. And if you have other feedback, you can also tell me. And if you can learn a little bit from today's video, can give me a thumb up. And also share this video out to your friend. Thank you very much and see you next time.